Welcome to Japanese 101. Today's lesson, how to type in Japanese. Typing practice. You have to have Japanese language in order to type Japanese. How to install Japanese to your PC. Easy 6 steps. 1. Go to menu. 2. Control panel. 3. Region and language. 4. Keyboard and language. 5. Change the keyboard. 6. Add Japanese Microsoft IME. How to type in Japanese. You have to type in Romaji, then click Enter. Romaji is the representation of Japanese sounds using the Western 26 letters alphabet. Type hiragana and click spacebar. This is to make the words change to kanji. You don't need space between words generally. However, since you haven't learned kanji yet, it is easier to read if you make spaces between. For example, the first sentence, it says, 日本語の勉強は難しいです。日本語の勉強は難しいです。This sentence with kanji. 日本語 is kanji, 勉強 is kanji, 難 is kanji. But if you write all hiragana, looks like this. 日本語 space, の space, 勉強 space, は space, 難しい space, です。Period. Notice, after 勉強, this is particle は You pronounce は but you have to type は ha. 日本語の勉強は but you pronounce 日本語の勉強は難しいです。After subject you put particle は but type は Here is a Romaji. You can make a small letter, small ya, you, yo, and tsu. This is a way LYA or XYA to make ya. LTU or XTU to make tsu. Or you could double type the small tsu. For example, Nikki diary, NIKKI, Nikki. There are two Ks, KK, to make small tsu, Nikki. In Japanese sentence, you need to have punctuation. It is called kutoten. Kuten is like period. You have to have a small circle at the end of the sentence. You can simply type a period. Another one is toten. Type comma between the words, like comma in English. Kagikakko. This is used when people talk or quote. Use kagikakko. Small letters type X, XYU to make small u, XI to make small e. For Japanese n, type double N. You type N twice, NN, to make Japanese n. Let's typing practice. Try to type your name. If your name is Kerry Smith, you type KERI-SUMISU. Notice, don't type in alphabet. Use Romaji from the sound. So don't follow the spelling, you just follow the sound. Next one, try to type New York. New York. 3. Hot dog. Japanese sound is hot dog. Hot dog. 4. Scuba diving. Japanese sound is scuba diving. Scuba diving. Japanese babibu bebo for both B and V sound. Continuous sound for katakana type minus or dash. Katakana is used for foreign words like people, foreigners' name, place of the city or states, name of the food in the foreign countries, or name of the sports or activities. You use katakana. Try to type those words in hiragana. 1. 日本語 Japanese. 2. 王様 means king. 3. 食器 means dishes. 4. 電話 means phone. 5. 今日 means today. 6. 鉛筆 pencil. 7. 出発 means departure. 8. 短い means short. 9. 体 means body. 10. 立派な means fine or magnificent. 11. 学生 means student. 12. 氷 ice. 13. 近所 neighborhood. 14. 恐竜 dinosaur. 15. 糖尿病 diabetes. 16. 人形 doll. 17. お正月 New Year. 18. しゃっくり hiccups. 19. すみません excuse me or sorry. Stop the screen and try to type those words in hiragana. Here is the answer. 1. 日本語 2. 王様 3. 食器 4. 電話 5. 今日 is a continuous sound of oo, so you type u. 6. 鉛筆 7. 出発 8. 短い 9. 体 10. 立派な 11. 学生 continuous sound of aa sound, you type e. 12. 氷 13. 近所 14. 恐竜 The first one is oo sound, 恐 so you type u. oo sound, type u. 糖尿病 There are two oo sound. 糖尿 or there are three. 病 So oo sound you type u. 16. 人形 oo sound type u. お正月 oo sound type u. しゃっくりすみません You have to type n twice. n to make n. Next one, try to type those phrases. Teacher's instruction. 1. Please listen. 2. Please read. 3. Please look at. 4. Please be quiet. 5. Please open the book. 6. Please close the book. 7. Please repeat. 8. Please say. 9. Please write down. 10. Please stand up. 11. Please sit down. I introduced those teacher's instructions in previous videos. So try to type those phrases in hiragana. Here is the answer. Number 1. 聞いてください。2. 読んでください。3. 見てください。4. 静かにしてください。5. 本を開いてください。6. 本を閉じてください。7. 繰り返してください。8. 言ってください。9. 書いてください。10. 立ってください。11. 座ってください。I forgot to add a small circle at the end of the sentence, like a period, so please put the period at the end of the sentence. Next one, 自己紹介 self-introduction. First, you type はじめまして。はじめまして。Nice to meet you. And next, you type your name. 私は Carrie です。私は Betsy です。私は Michael です。I am plus your name. So after 私, you type HA for は. You pronounce は after the subject but type HA. 猫が好きです。I like cat, or you can type any animal names. I like dog, I like tiger, I like lion. The Japanese sentence, the second sentence, we usually omit saying 私は, but you could also say 私は猫が好きです。I like cat. Next one, talk about your favorite colors. I like red, or you can type any colors. 私は赤が好きです。I like red. I like pink. ピンクが好きです。I like purple. 紫が好きです。リンゴを食べます。I eat apple. You type any food items here. リンゴを食べます。桃を食べます。I eat peach. サンドイッチを食べます。I eat sandwich. You pronounce O but type WO for this O after object apple. Then you can end the sentence. どうぞよろしくお願いします。どうぞよろしくお願いします。There is no direct translation for どうぞよろしくお願いします。In this situation, simply it means pleased to meet you. どうぞよろしくお願いします。That's it for today's lesson. Thank you very much. ありがとう。